Let's look at the tools used in this video to install our windshield. Drill with a 1/4 inch bit, Phillips head screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, rubber mallet, and a ruler which isn't shown. I've laid out the parts that came with the windshield. We've got 4 rubber grommets, 6 clear bumpers, 2 push rivets, 2 plastic washers, 2 steel washers, 1 rubber bracket, 2 expanding well nuts, 2 panhead screws. Hey, this is Paul from EzGo, and before we jump in, I just want to let you know that this video is part of our free street legalization mini course available at streetwisecarts.com. Signing up for this course also gives you our downloadable parts buying worksheet. This free mini course is the installation portion of our full street legalization course that goes over all the state paperwork and compliance issues that you need to be aware of when converting your golf cart to a street legal LSV. You can find a link to the free mini course along with a 10% off coupon for a full street legalization course right down below this video. All right, let's jump back in. I've laid out the windshield on a flat surface with the exterior of the windshield facing up. Then I'm placing the plastic bag it came in underneath and removing the protective film. These 4 rubber grommets will get installed in the slots of the sides of the windshield. Now I'm applying the 6 clear dots a 1/2 inch from the edge in the location specified in the instructions. To protect the cowl, it's recommended to throw a towel over the hood. Next, we'll install these well nuts. They don't want to go in for me, so I've added a touch of grease to the outside and they decided to cooperate. The last step before moving the windshield is adding a plastic washer and panhead screw through the bottom grommets. Next, I fold the windshield down and pick it up from the bottom, holding the screws in place. Carefully, the windshield goes into place and a finger tighten the screws into the well nuts. Once the windshield is folded up at this point, it stays in place. Now, the Phillips heads are screwed in to secure the bottom. These are screwed in hand tight, but they will never feel fully screwed down, which is normal. Next step is to attach the rivets to the top grommets. I'm centering them on the roof support strut and then drilling out one of the holes. At this point, I don't quite feel like the windshield is very centered because one of these top latches doesn't seem to be sitting right. So I'm going to loosen up the screws on the bottom and try to get things aligned. It's looking much better, and I'm going to go ahead and drill the last hole. The push rivets are ready to be installed. The instructions said they can be tapped in all the way, but I feel better off just screwing in the last bit instead of smashing it with a hammer. The final step on the instructions is to install this rubber support bracket, which is attached with an adhesive backing. Let's remove this funky towel and try everything out.